Keyboard shortcuts are just a combination of keys on the keyboard that make the computer do something that you want it to do. Control is almost always part of these keyboard combinations, but Control P will kick your computer off to start printing that file. Similarly, Control S will save your file. This is a great one. If you're one of those people who works away at something and gets to the end and then saves it, you'll have come across the times when you got halfway through something and something crashed and it fell over and you think, I've lost all my work. It happens to everybody, but remembering Control S as a way of saving it means that as you're working, just pause for thought, Control S, I've updated the file with what I've just worked on, so I know I'm not going to lose it. Really simple and really quick. Now you might be used to going up and finding cut, copy and paste in the menu, and you might find that if you typed a little bit of text in, and I've highlighted it because I want to change it or I want to copy it, you may well use the mouse to come over here, click, go back to where you want to paste it again and paste. But also, I could do that as Control C for copy. If you look on a keyboard, C has got X on one side, and X looks like a pair of scissors, a little bit. X is Control Cut. So if I want to actually pick something up and get rid of it, but copy it so I can use it somewhere else, Control X will take it off. Control C would copy it, and Control V, which is the next one along, pastes it back on. Okay. So how do you find out about keyboard shortcuts? Depending on which version of any piece of software you're using, they will usually pop up. Now, quite often you would find them in the menus across the top. So where you have File, Insert, View, all those sorts of things. If you click on those menu headings and look down, you'll often see next to the function you want a combination of characters. A little control, usually CTRL plus a letter or a number. But if I hover over spaces, I get the same thing. Paste is Control plus V. So if I can't remember what the keyboard shortcut is, it's there for you. Go and find it somewhere. The other thing about keyboard shortcuts is they work across programs. So Control Copy in a word processor will copy a piece of text. It would also copy a picture if you happen to put that into word processor. But if you start editing video, it does the same. In working with manipulating images, it does the same. Control C is still copy. So not only are you learning shortcuts of using the piece of software you use commonly, but you're developing a set of kind of habits, if you like, that work right across all sorts of pieces of software.